Welcome to the Spellbinders October 2025 3D Embossing Folder of the Month Club, Brick by Brick. This 3D embossing folder creates a 3D brick background with various bricks, giving it a realistic look. Let's use this 3D embossing folder to create a card. When using 3D embossing folders, start by adding a light mist of water with Spellbinders Mighty Mister. Give the water a couple of minutes to soak in and soften up the paper. Roll a piece of Spellbinders Best Ever Craft Tape and place it behind an A2 piece of the Spellbinders Poppy cardstock that you've misted. Then, with the embossing folder open, place the cardstock down inside. The tape will temporarily adhere the cardstock inside the folder. On the other inside of the embossing folder, swipe white pigment ink over the design. Don't press down on the ink pad, and this will allow the ink to remain on only the raised areas of the folder's design. Close the embossing folder and place it in the Spellbinders Platinum 6 machine with the Universal Adapter Plate D on top. After running through the machine, if you would like a more opaque white look, simply re-ink the embossing folder and run it through the die cut machine again. The Best Ever Craft Tape keeps the cardstock in place, so you can repeat this as many times as you like. Trim the embossed panel down to 4 by 5 1/4 inches and adhere it to an A2 piece of white cardstock with Spellbinders Tape Runner. Use liquid adhesive to adhere a snowdrift die cut of white cardstock from the large die of this month's club. Use small foam squares to add dimension behind the large die's child with a sled filled with presents on top of the snowdrift. Add a stamped and gold heat embossed sentiment from the October 2025 Stamp and Die Club. Thank you for choosing Spellbinders Club Kits. Happy crafting!